Liquid Ass is a prank fart spray designed to deliver an extremely unpleasant and concentrated odor that is far beyond typical fart smells. Marketed as a gag gift suitable for both adult size and kids aged 14 and up, this product promises to create hilarious, room-evacuating moments with its highly potent stink. The spray comes in a compact 30 milliliter bottle, making it easy to carry around for spontaneous pranks or planned jokes. The manufacturer, Liquid Assets Novelties LLC, produces this non-toxic spray in the USA, and it has gained notable popularity, ranking high in gags and practical joke toys with a strong customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 32,000 reviews. Users have reported that the scent is not your typical fart smell, but something far more nauseating and complex. The odor profile includes notes reminiscent of rotten, rancid organic matter combined with the smell of decaying mammal flesh. Some describe it as similar to spoiled ranch dressing or the smell of a pigsty on a hot, humid day. This intense and realistic stench is what makes Liquid Ass stand out as a prank tool. The smell is so powerful that it physically induces nausea in some people and lingers for a long time, making it a highly effective prank spray. The application is straightforward, with simple instructions printed on the bottle. However, users warn that the spray nozzle is a cheap atomizer prone to leaking, and the liquid does not wash off easily if it gets on your fingers. For this reason, pranksters recommend using gloves or wrapping a wet paper towel around the bottle to avoid direct contact. Despite this minor inconvenience, the spray's potency more than compensates for it. Many users have shared detailed prank stories illustrating the spray's effectiveness. One user recounted spraying a tiny amount in their garage, which caused their family to believe there was a dead animal inside, prompting ventilation efforts that lasted for hours. Another described a workplace prank where the spray was applied to a colleague's office door handle and door jamb, leading to confused reactions and visible discomfort as the victim tried to locate the source of the smell. The prank even caused a client and maintenance staff to react strongly, highlighting the spray's ability to disrupt and amuse simultaneously. One particularly vivid account involved spraying the product on a sweater and leaving it near a partner, who then embarked on a frantic search for the source of the stench, suspecting everything from the cat's litter box to spoiled food. The partner's escalating attempts to clean and identify the smell added to the comedic effect, making the prank a memorable success. This story emphasizes how Liquid Ass can turn an ordinary environment into a chaotic and hilarious scene. The spray's strength and lingering odor make it a powerful deterrent for those who enjoy payback pranks. Users have noted that once someone experiences the smell, they are unlikely to mess with the prankster again. The intensity borders on maddening, and the lingering effect ensures the prank's impact lasts well beyond the initial spray. In terms of usability, the small bottle size is convenient for carrying discreetly, but users should be cautious about accidental leaks and avoid touching the liquid directly. The spray's non-toxic formulation means it is safe to use in various settings, but care should be taken to keep it out of reach of children under 14, as recommended by the manufacturer. Overall, Liquid Ass Prank Spray is an expertly crafted gag gift that delivers on its promise of extreme, unforgettable odor for pranking purposes. It is highly rated for its effectiveness, unique scent profile, and ability to generate laughter through shock and disbelief. While the smell is overwhelmingly foul, that is precisely what makes it so successful as a prank tool. For those who enjoy practical jokes and want a reliable way to surprise friends, family, or coworkers, Liquid Ass is a top choice. If you own this product or have tried it, leaving a review can help others understand its true power and prank potential. The link to purchase Liquid Ass is provided in the description, and supporting the channel by using it is appreciated. This spray is a standout item in the realm of gag gifts and prank tools, offering a unique and memorable experience for prank enthusiasts everywhere.